Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can unsubscribe from senders in your Canary mail account. So let us guide you through it. Alright guys, so it works almost the same way as on most any other email services. What you want to do is log into your account on Canary Mail on your device, like let me go for example on my desktop computer. Make sure that your connected inbox is enabled here in the Canary Mail account, like Gmail for instance, or Yahoo Mail, or Outlook, or Proton, and after that simply navigate to the email in your inbox or in one of these folders and right click into the mail. And if you'd like to block the given, or not block, sorry, but unsubscribe from the sender so that you don't receive any emails in the future anymore from the given sender, you may do that by clicking into this button at the bottom. And after that, you'll be redirected to the given preferences here, or email preferences of the given sender, so that you can disable these by clicking, for example, into no here and save these. And that is going to stop these emails in the future from the given sender. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.